Hi everyone. Today I am going to make video about the basics of horsemanship, and first of all I want to introduce myself. My name is Raj Shekhar from Vellore, Tamil Nadu. I am doing a horsemanship called God Clinton Horsemanship. I named the horsemanship as God Clinton Horsemanship just because I was very much following the down under horsemanship done by the Clinton Anderson. I follow most of his methods, and it works very well for me. That's just because that I named it as God Clinton Horsemanship. This is the first time I'm making videos in English. That's why I may get stuck sometimes, and I may not deliver the content properly, but to my level best I'll give you. Today I want to discuss something basics about the horsemanship, and today we are having two female horses. One is the named Shakti, that's a brown mare which is 5-year old, and the other one is the white one is named Rani, 2-year-old filly. Today I am just getting into the subject of liberty. Just now I started the liberty with my horses. I don't know anything much deep inside the liberty. I want just to establish the connection. I want to discuss something that's about liberty. It's basics of liberty. Okay, let's take it as the basics of liberty. Today I want to tell you what is the establishing connection with the horse. See, now right now the white horse left out from me and the brown horse concentrated on me. I am going to just apply some pressure to it and bring it again to me. Okay. Okay, see, just I am walking around a circle, and I just got the attention, and again I am backing out. Once I get the attention, I will back out. That's the main thing I am following now. Just I want to make the horse is very much focused on me, not leaving my focus. Okay. Okay, see, now right now, see, again the white one is trying to leave and the brown is very much focused on me, and it's quiet and calm. The white one is going just because it's always playful. You may get the only playful things from the younger horses. Okay, you should not expect much to be obedient with the younger horses, so you can build it from the base to little by little, that respect and the obedience. Okay, never force anything all of the sudden on horses. Okay, whenever we train something, we have to go only a little by little. Okay. Okay, now let's talk something about the focus. Okay, see, just I am walking towards the brown one. See, right now it's calm, quiet. See, after every yeah, now I got its focus. That is the connection we establish with the horses. Okay, see, but the white one is not focused on me. It's grazing somewhere. Yeah, okay, now I'll again try to get that horse's attention, that filly's attention. Okay, see, okay, I'll walk towards it. Yeah, waving my whip. Yeah, got the attention. Yeah, now I'll retreat. Once it focuses on me, I'll get back. That's the horses work on pressure and release. Okay, see, I am going to pressure. Okay, I am going to give some pressure to the white one. Yeah, now I got its focus. Again I am retreating. Whenever you apply some pressure and you get the focus from the horse, you just retreat. Okay, that's the better, that's the good sign to train a horse, good sign or good method to train a horse. Okay, that's the connection or the bond we are establishing with the horse. Horses learn from pressure and release method. Okay, that's the main thing we have to focus while training horses. Whenever you are pressuring the horse, they have to search for an answer. Okay, right now the answer is getting the focus. Okay, I want the focus. If I get the focus, I'll retreat from the pressure. Okay, and also my pressure is very gentle, from starting from the light tapping, wiggling the rope or walking towards it. That will be the pressure. Once I got the focus, I'll get back. Okay, this will make the horse to be connected with me. Okay, this is the very basics of the liberty training, and I have just followed started practicing that. Okay. Okay, let's see. Now I'll walk along the fence or anywhere in the square pen. They have to follow me. They both have to follow me. Okay, I am clucking now. Right now I am clucking with my and walking. Okay, but see, just now the brown one started following me. Okay, now I will walk randomly. Yeah, both are in my focus. They are establishing the connection with me. Okay, again I am going to move randomly somewhere inside the pen. Okay, let's see how long they will build the connection with me and start following me. Okay, right now there is a connection but not following me. I'll wait until, see, the brown one is very much connected to me, but the white one, sees it's grazing somewhere, the filly. Now I am going to, okay, now I am going to apply some pressure to both the horses. See, let's make some circles around me to make them inconvenient. Okay, this is the pressure I am applying on them. I'll make them in inconvenient situations by making them trotting around me. This is the pressure I am applying. Once they follow me, I will leave the pressure. Okay, see, the white one got the focus and the brown one is also now focused. Again, now I will start walking away from the horses. They should follow me. Here I am the leader, they have to follow me. Okay, they both are concentrating on me. I am walking away. Okay, let's see how long they are connected. See, the white one is following nice. Yeah, okay, yeah, it's following very, it's connected. Okay, but see, the brown one is not following me, there she is not connected. Yeah, now let's see how long they are getting the connection. Okay, yeah, see, the white one is right now, the filly is very much focused on me. I have done so many homeworks for this, so she is very much knowing that. But the brown one, I have never did that much on Liberty homework, so she's understanding the connection but not following me. But I have made so many homeworks for following this white one. I have made her follow for so many times. Okay, see, let's see now. Right now we'll see how long the white one is following me. Yeah, she is following. Yeah, I am clucking and giving the pressure, mild pressure on the whip. See, I will take the pressure. Yeah, pressure her. Yeah, now I will walk. Okay, yeah, once they started following, we have to drop the pressure. We have to get the attention from the horse by just wiggle or just a cluck like that. Okay, verbal cues. Okay, let's see, now both of them are following. Yeah, let's go. Yeah, yeah, this is the connection. This is the connection we want to establish. Once you get inside the pen and if your horse is not focused on you, then there is no connection, no bonding between you and your horse. Okay, but never try this at first. Okay, when your horse doesn't have any schooling on groundwork or any any manners. Okay, only after this is the very Liberty somewhat advanced level of groundwork. First we have to do the normal groundwork with the halter and lead rope, and then only we have to try this. This is my first video posting in English on this Liberty. In future I will post videos in with the lead rope, halter and everything, and teach some, not teach, that's I am sharing my experience, how I learned horsemanship and how I did the groundwork, how I get results. Okay, okay, let's see. Right now I want to pressure them because they both are not that much focused on me, so I am pressuring them by making them lunge. Okay, and making them trot around me. Okay, now I will leave the pressure and wait for them to get focused. Yeah, see, the brown one started following me. Yeah, I am going. Yeah, again both of them started following me. This is the connection. This is the very basics of Liberty, making them follow you inside a square pen or round pen or something like that. Okay, okay, let's see how for this connection sometime leaves out from us and the horses distracts and go away. Everything happens, but we have to build it again and again and again. Okay, we have to walk. Yeah, see, both of them. This is the leadership we want to establish with the horses. Horses like to have good leaders. They are very much ready to follow some leaders. Okay, we have to establish that connection with the horse. Okay, see, the brown one understood now, very nice, and she is following me. Okay, see, but the white one is away from me. She is distracted and she is not following me. Now the connection is lost from the white one. Okay, now again I will go and try to bring her to the establish some connection. Okay, I will make the pressure gentle, walking around her. Yeah, when I get the focus I will retreat. Once she starts to look at me or walk at me, I will just get back. Okay, the timing is very important. Whenever we get into some horsemanship, the timing plays a major role. Okay, not the release timing is very much important for us. We have to release it Release timing plays a major role in horse training. I'll tell in my future videos what is a release and how will you give it at the correct timing, because the release alone doesn't train a horse. The timing of release is very much important in training the horses. Okay, see, right now I am building a connection. It may break often and we have to build it again, and that's what's happening in this part. See, I think so they both are rightly focused on me now. Okay. Okay, this is what happens. Okay, this is what happens in building a connection. Okay, I have trained little basics about the laying down all to that white filly. Okay, see, I am doing these videos everything to learn myself and to share with people what I am doing. My videos, okay, I do make mistakes in my videos. I don't claim everything is what I'm doing is right, because every day I learn myself. Okay, I learn one thing and the other thing may be a wrong one, and I see the video and again learn from that and correct that mistakes. Okay, so I don't claim everything what I'm doing is wrong. If you feel that's a good thing or you can learn from it, you just learn from it. Okay, okay. Now let's talk something other than that. Okay, I have seen people lunging the horses round and round and round. Okay, they make the horse tired and claiming that they are training horses. Okay, but whenever we have training horses, we must have a control of that their feet. Okay, if you lunge the horse round and round and round and make them tired, what you are doing with the brain in them? Okay, you are not training, you are not engaged with the brain they have. Okay, they just run and run and run. Okay, you can't stop them, you can't change the direction of their run, and you can't control their feet when you are doing like that. Okay, whenever we try to lunge a horse, we have to control their feet. We have to make them stop whenever we need it, and we have to start lunging them whenever we need. Okay, we have to initiate the movement and stop the movement. That's the control we have. Okay, see, right now the horse is laying down in front of me. It's not normal for any horse to lay down such a calm and relax in front of a human, because in nature they think humans as a predator. Predator means I think so most of them who are into the horse will know about what is the predator prey concept. Okay, see, okay, I'll make the white one also lay down. See, I have taught them how to lay down. Yeah, yeah, okay, see, they both are laying down in front of me. Okay, it's not normal thing. Okay, you cannot make it happen unless they are trusted to you, and they trust you, you are the leader, and they trust you, you are not a predator. Okay, and that's what we have to make them learn. We have to train their brain to be like that. Okay, see, see, actually, I have not learned this everything in a single day. Okay, I have been doing this for 3 years. I have been with the horses. I am training horses, and I know how they feel, when you are near them. Everything. Okay, out of that only I got this practice. Actually, you have to practice yourself, and you have to put yourself inside a square pen or round pen, or a halter and lead rope, and you have to train to get that knowledge. Okay, actually when you enter and try these things, you will get only a little results. Okay, but don't get fed up with that. Okay, try the next day and the next day and the next day, you will improve. Okay, similarly horses, you cannot expect the horses to be good. Horses are by nature, they are themselves. We have to train ourselves to handle that horses. That's the main thing. Actually, people think this is a good horse, this is a bad horse, this is a, actually horses may differ a little, but you cannot expect a perfect horse that is trained by nature. Okay, we humans have to teach them something, and we have to teach them how to respect human, how to move for their pressure, how to stay with you connected. Everything we ourselves are responsible for training them. Okay, never think horses to be bad. Okay, I've seen so many people thinking this is a bad horse, this is a good one, this is a athletic, this is non-athletic, like that. Okay, horses are by nature, they have some characters. It's our responsibility to train that horses. Okay, okay, let's see another thing now. Okay, right now they both are laying down in front of me. If they again try to get up without my permission, if they get up, I'll make them again lay down. Okay, See, actually, they both are good, but I have not practiced that much with the brown one. But the white one is that much trained for me. Okay, see, oh, I'll blabber something in English because I don't speak often English. This is my first try. Okay, if at all any, yeah, it will be like that only. Just learn only the content. Okay, okay. When we enter into some horsemanship, we must have good tools. Okay, tools are very much important to train horse. Whenever you try to train a horse, you cannot train the horse just by like that with a rope put on their neck around their neck and pulling them and like that. You have to have the right tool. Okay, you have to have the. Okay, see, right now the white one got up without my permission, so I'll make her lay down again. Okay, see, okay, yeah. That's the cue for her to lay down. Okay, yeah, yeah. Now she laid. Okay, okay, okay. Now it's very hot here. The mud will be very hot because it's 12 o'clock here. Okay, I'll not make them lay down so long. I'll make them get up very soon. Okay, okay, okay. Now I'll make the other one also get up. Yeah. Okay. This is what the connection establishment is. Okay, today I want to discuss only this thing with you all. Okay, the square pen, I want to take a little about square pen. I'll always suggest people before buying yours, just construct whether it is a square or circle. In particularly I like the square pen because I'll use it as both the round and also square by simple transformation. Okay, I'll tell people only to first before buying ours spend some money in constructing these areas like that. Okay, because you must have a training area to train the horses cannot be kept without training, because if you keep a horse without a training you will have a lot of frustrations because they may react many times, they will get afraid of everything what they see. You have to train them, you have to put them into training to make it peaceful, with peacefully having them. Okay, to be having them peacefully. Okay, okay. So always try to construct a area like this before buying ours. It will be very less, only some 10 to 15,000 I spent to construct this square pen, because the it's not so high when comparing to buying ours, because horses will be ranging from 1 lakh to something. You are spending only the 15% of its amount for this training area. Okay, so it's very much important. Okay, see, right now again I'll build the connection with them, I'll make them follow me. Yeah, let's see. Yeah, I'll pressure them. Once they look into me I'll get back. Okay, see, the white one started following me. Yeah, she is very much understanding. I told you, as always, I have trained her so much to follow me, so she's doing it very well. But the brown one I have not trained that much, but she is very good at riding. With the riding part she's good, but the liberty I have never started with her. Okay, see, I'm pressuring her. Yeah, pressure, yeah, pressure, yeah. I'll make her move and get back. Okay, that's the release. Yeah, I want her to follow me. That's what. Yeah, see, both are not very attentive. They are. See, that's the white one. Actually, this is what happens when you engage more than one horse. If you are having only one, first you have to develop things like you have to do this with only one horse, and then only you have to add numbers. Today this was the my first video with the liberty thing. I tried just okay, but from next video onwards I'll engage only one horse. I'll train her perfectly, and then only I'll add numbers. Okay. Okay, I'll chase the brown one because she's not listening to me. I'll chase both of them. Yeah, that's the pressure, and again I am releasing the. I just want them to follow me. Okay. See now they both are connected. Now the signal is established between me and both the horses. Okay, this is what the connection. This video simply just tells only one thing. That's the connection. This is what the connection is. Okay. See, the brown one is connected now. Yeah, she took him, the filly took him. Yeah, no, both are connected. Okay, this is the simple thing I want to tell in this video. Okay, see I'm again they are losing the connection. I'm going to pressure them. Pressure, no, pressure, yeah, pressure, yeah, they're not if they are not listening me, I'm going to pressure both of them. Yeah, I'll wait for them to follow. Yeah, again they are not listening to me. Yeah, again going to pressure them. Pressure, yeah, make some 2-3 circles with them, pressure them. Yeah, now I'll wait for them to get into my connection. Yeah, now they started following me. Yeah, now I'll walk. Now I'll start walking. Okay, now I'll start walking. They both have to follow me. This is how the leadership is established when you come with the horses. Okay, whenever they are not connected to you, whenever they are not doing the right thing, I pressure them a little and tell them that's not the good thing. If you jump and run over them, they'll have a bundle of pressure and they'll react too much and they'll get injured and you will get injured and everything nonsense will happen. Okay, so the pressure must be always gone with from the mild to the maximum until the job is done. Okay, and the release must be immediate. You must give the release after the microsecond of the good work. Okay, that's what we are expecting. Okay, this is all I want to tell you in this video, and this video is purely for only the horse lovers. If you like my videos and if you get something from it, please share my video and subscribe my channel. You can see the right corner subscribe button, press the notification button and select all, so that you can get all the notifications from me my channel about the horsemanship. And I want to make videos in future in English also, because I think so I can help people outside Tamil Nadu also, because so many of my subscribers from Telangana and Karnataka, and people interact with me and ask me to make videos in English, and this is the first try I ever made in English. I think so it will be a wreck for everyone, because I'm really struggling to speak in English right now. I think so I can improve after a couple of videos. Okay, hope you all enjoy the video and you got some content about the horsemanship. Okay, let's discuss so many things about horses in my future videos, and I'll be sharing every part of my learning process in through these videos, and I'll be making videos in future. Okay, please do follow my channel, subscribe my channel. Okay, thank you for your support. Thank you. Bye. ஓகே, அதான் அப்பப்போ இந்த மாதிரி கனெக்ஷனை எஸ்டாப்ளிஷ் பண்ண கற்றுக்குங்க, ரொம்ப ஈஸியாக இருக்கும். அதே மாதிரி இந்த வீடியோவில் நம்ம சொன்ன முக்கியமான விஷயம், கரெக்டான டூல்ஸ். குதிரை வாங்குறதுக்கு முன்னாடி சாட்டையை வாங்குங்க, கால்ட்ரை வாங்குங்க, ஒரு ஸ்கொயர் பெண்டட் ஒரு ட்ரைனிங் ஏரியாவை சூஸ் பண்ணிவிட்டு குதிரையை வாங்க. அப்படி இல்லைனாக்கா யார்கிட்ட குதிரை இருக்கிறவங்ககிட்ட போயிட்டு டைம் ஸ்பெண்ட் பண்ணிவிட்டு வந்துடுங்க. சரிங்களா? ஓகேங்களா? இதுதான் இந்த வீடியோவோட முக்கியமான கருத்து. அடுத்த வீடியோவில் பார்க்க